Hello friends, how are you all? Today we are going to make solar system model, solar system project. So it's just a craft for the kids to understand how their solar system work and how the solar system look like and how it moves around the sun. So you will need a wooden piece, a round wooden piece and double wheel like this. I had a stroller and I took out this double wheel from that. You will need air dry clay and a yellow ball to make a sun, and you will also need a black chart paper to wrap around this wooden plate. And let me tell you that firstly I took a small wooden piece and later I changed it in the bigger size because the plate was small, the wooden piece was small. So you will take black chart paper and wrap around the wooden piece. You can take any size of wooden piece you like. I also changed it in the bigger size. I'll show you in the video later. So wrap black chart paper around this wooden piece. And let me tell you, this craft is not electric, it's just a manual, but it will move. The planets will move. So you will paste hot glue and paste the black chart paper. Now we will mark lines, silver or white marker lines to show the orbit of the planets. And now I'm making balls with clay. You can make any texture of the planets and you can mix two colors and make Earth, Jupiter, and all the planets, and you can make their texture. It's very, the clay is very useful thing, and you can easily make the texture of the planet and the colors of the planet. So you will make 8 9 planets and you will make their texture with the help of clay. So now I'm mixing the colors, two colors. I'm making different marble and different texture with the help of two color clay. And you can see I'm mixing two colors, and it's very easy to give the shape of the planets, and the clay is very helpful to give the shape and the color to the planets. So this is the way I made all my planets, and please watch my full video how I made the whole craft, whole solar system craft. This is the moon, and now I'm making different planets. I made it forward, I made it a little fast because it will be easy for you to watch it. Now I'm making sun. You will take a yellow ball and you will apply yellow orange paint on it, and so it will give a fire look and the sun is burning. So let's make a sun planet. After that I'll make Mercury and Pluto, all the planets. I showed you a double wheel and I will make holes on the side of the wheels with the help of iron wire. You can take any pin and make it warm, and when the pin is hot it will be easy to make a hole in the wheel. You can see I'm making holes in the wheel, double wheel. And you will also need wooden sticks, and you will color the wooden sticks and later you will insert it in the wheel. So this is the way I made holes in the wheel. You can see I'm making hole, and then I will insert wooden sticks, which is used in cooking and you must have in your kitchen. So with the help of hot glue you will insert the wooden sticks on the side of the wheels. So now you will paste the sun like this, and you will need a paper cup. First you will add a paper cup and then you will add sun like this. I'll show you how I applied the paper cup. I also colored the paper cup, and this is the how I attach the sun. Now I will make the boundary of the sun so that your sun will be looking shiny and burning like fire. I used a foamic sheet, orange foamic sheet, to give it a sun look on the sides, and you can see it will look very beautiful craft for the kids to make, and they will know this is and I also apply. I also tag names. I will also tag names like this on the white paper, right, with black pointer. So this is the how I will tag my planets. You can see all the planet names are there. Or take a paper cup and apply hot glue and now paste it on the plate or your wooden piece. You will also need a foamic sheet stars. You can cut them in star shape. And now after inserting wooden sticks, I am now inserting all the clay balls in the wooden sticks. You need to let the planets and the clay dry. You need 1 day or 2 days to let the clay balls properly get dry. If they are not dry, they can be broken or the shape will be damaged. So let your clay dry and paste all the wooden sticks in the wheel. And now paste all the dried clay planets and tag their names: Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Pluto, all the planets. Let's tag them together and paste it. You can color your wheel. It's a double wheel. I told you I had a little toy, stroller toy. I took it out from the stroller toy, and it's a double wheel which is movable. You can see it's moving. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.